In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the mobile view on your Wix website. Whether you're starting from scratch or updating an existing site, getting the mobile version right is crucial since more people are browsing on their phones than ever before. Let's dive right in and make sure your website looks as good on a smartphone as it does on a desktop. First off, open up your Wix website editor. This is the hub for all your site modifications, and it's where you'll be making the necessary changes. Once you're in the Wix editor, you'll notice a couple of options in the top right corner. Look for the Switch to Mobile button and click on it. This will change the view to the mobile version of your site. It's always a good idea to check how your website looks in this mode, as sometimes certain elements don't translate well from desktop to mobile. Now that you're looking at the mobile view, search for any elements that might be hidden. This is often the case if an element doesn't have the right dimensions or positioning to fit the mobile layout perfectly. Click on Hidden on Mobile, which unveils any parts of your site that are currently not displayed on mobile devices. Once you've identified these hidden elements, simply click on Show to reinstate them in your mobile layout. This simple step makes sure your content is visible across all devices, resulting in a seamless experience for your site visitors. Next, let's focus on a specific section of your page. Choose a section that you think could be problematic or isn't displayed ideally on mobile. Once selected, click on Hide Section from Mobile. This feature allows you to customize your site's appearance by hiding any sections that might clutter or confuse the mobile interface. But remember, make sure this section's removal doesn't interrupt the flow or content of your mobile site. Now, let's make your website even more engaging by highlighting important features or content. To do this, click on the Highlight option. This action will draw more attention to certain parts of your website, making them stand out to mobile users. Great for pointing out promotions, new features, or essential information, highlighting can help focus your site visitors' attention where you need it most. And that's a wrap. By following these steps, you can refine your Wix site's mobile view, ensuring a professional and user-friendly experience for anyone visiting from their phone. Don't forget to preview your changes before publishing to make sure everything is exactly how you want it. Thanks for watching this guide, and happy developing!